This is a hill I'm going to die on, but I will never understand why anyone in this world is against capital punishment for rapists. The act of sex, which is supposed to be an expression of deep desire or at least serious liking or attraction, is instead used perversely to degrade, exert control, and express disgust and contempt. This is not a problem of impulse control, it's a problem in the core wiring of how an individual is constructed. This is someone who gets off on cruelty, torture, control, and degradation, and in many cases, unspeakable violence. This kind of mind is not open to rehabilitation. We are dealing with someone who most likely has severe psychopathy and is incapable of remorse. From a rehabilitation standpoint, many murderers express regret, especially when the crime was not committed in cold blood, but sexual sadism is resistant to any form of treatment notoriously. The idea that a rapist can be reformed or rehabilitated enough for them to be reintroduced into society goes directly against all available evidence we have from everywhere. Most rapists commit multiple offenses before they are caught, and even after release, recidivism is very high. And most of them, as we saw in Nirbhaya's documentary that was banned in India, show no acknowledgement of their actions until the very end. Even empathy based treatment programs like CBT show minimal long term success with high risk offenders. While we are wasting time discussing and dissecting what a girl must have worn, what she should have done, where she should have gone, what time she should have been out, we forget that we are dealing with an individual who did not make a mistake. This individual is built wrong. And while intellectuals debate how capital punishment might encourage rapists to murder their victims, they ignore the fact that these murders are already happening. We are gambling on the lives of future victims to preserve the lives of known predators based on the hypothetical outcome, which is actually not hypothetical, it's already playing out, while women are dying every day anyway. We are protecting rapists by assuming the worst that they can do and then by rewarding them for not doing that worst. But many women in our country are constantly living in a state of fear and hypervigilance. There is no documented case in history of an extremely violent, sadistic rapist being truly rehabilitated. No, zero cases. We are dealing with individuals whose minds are stubbornly resistant to change and who live in a society that tells them every day that their actions can and will be justified by blaming the victim. And at this point, anyone empathizing with these people should really ask themselves where this empathy is really coming from. This is a hill I will die on. Sexual assault is as close as a human being can come to true evil. It is closer than murder. It is an act of love which is made into an act of contempt and disgust and terror and dehumanization. And to me, capital punishment is the only appropriate response because these individuals do not change, they do not get rehabilitated. We cannot sacrifice life after life of women in our country and in this world just because some of us cannot get over the high crowns of moral superiority that we are wearing all the time.